Well, we're out just taking a walk and reminiscing about our 5-month stay in Florida.
That's a long time in one state.
You know, in April we'll have 3 years on the road, and we have never stayed in one state for 5 months. And I'm going to tell you something. This has not been an adventure. It has been a journey.
Yeah, excuse me, that's for sure. It's been a journey, all right. Tried to make it an adventure, but we had so much rain.
Yeah.
It just didn't become an adventure.
Yeah, I think it's different if somebody gets down to the Keys and able to do that. It's just the parks were so taken up, and we got behind the curve on making reservations. So anyway, here come April here in just a few days. We're going to be heading north, and looks like it's going to be another epic spring summer.
Yeah, north on the East Coast, all the way up, all those states, and into Nova Scotia.
Yep, looking forward to it.
So we'd like to take you along on that trip, so stay tuned.
Absolutely. We're glad you're here right now.
We are for sure.
We're out walking along this big, pretty lake right now. Saw an alligator or two, kind of over it with the alligators, but we'll see more of those as we get up into South Carolina, that's for sure. All right, y'all.